In this quick guide, you'll learn how to add Grammarly to Outlook. Grammarly is a powerful tool that helps you improve your writing by catching errors and suggesting enhancements. By integrating it with Outlook, you can ensure your emails are polished and professional. So, let's get started. First, you want to head over to the web store for your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, this will be the Chrome Web Store. For other browsers, it may be called something different, but the process is very similar. Once you're in the web store, you'll want to use the search bar to look for Grammarly. Simply type in Grammarly and hit enter. Once you see Grammarly in the search results, click on the option that says Add to Browser or Get. This will begin the process of installing the extension onto your browser. It's important to make sure you're adding the official Grammarly extension, so double check that it's from the legitimate source before proceeding. Once you click Add to Browser, your browser may ask for confirmation, so just go ahead and confirm that you want to install it. After you've successfully added Grammarly to your browser, the next step is to log into your account through the extension setup page. If you already have a Grammarly account, simply enter your login credentials. If you don't, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process. Follow the prompts to either log in or sign up, and you'll be all set up. Now that Grammarly is installed and you're logged in, let's talk about how to use it in Outlook. Head over to your Outlook webmail tab. If you haven't already opened it, do so now. Once you're in your Outlook, click on Compose to start a new message. Here's where Grammarly comes into play. As you type your email, Grammarly will automatically underline any errors directly in the text field. This makes it easy to spot mistakes as you write. You'll also notice a small indicator badge in the bottom right corner of the text field. This badge will be either green or red. A green badge indicates that your text is error-free or that there are just a few minor suggestions. A red badge, on the other hand, means there are more pressing issues that need your attention. You can click on these underlined errors to see Grammarly's suggestions for corrections or improvements. This allows you to quickly and easily make changes to enhance your writing. And that's it. You've successfully added Grammarly to Outlook and can now enjoy the benefits of having a virtual writing assistant right in your email. Remember, Grammarly is a tool to aid you, but always take a moment to review its suggestions to ensure they fit your intended message. With Grammarly integrated into Outlook, your emails will be clearer, more concise, and more effective. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.